Dear students, today we will start the first unit of your computer book, that is web application. This unit is divided into 8 sessions. We will start session 1, working with accessibility options. In this session, you will learn the basic accessibility options available on your computer. Accessibility options in control panel are used to customize the way your keyboard, display or the mouse function. Many of these features are useful for people with disabilities. Now, students, how to launch accessibility options? For that, you have to click on Start button, click on Control panel, click on Accessibility options. After clicking on accessibility options, the window will appear on your screen. There are 5 tabs in this window. The first tab is Keyboard tab. When you click on this tab, 3 checkboxes will be displayed. These are sticky keys, filter keys, toggle keys. Sticky keys. This feature helps users with physical disabilities. Sticky keys allows the user to press and release a modifier key such as Shift, Control, Alt or the window key and will remain active until any other key is pressed. Filter keys. It is an accessibility function that tells the keyboard to ignore repeated key strokes. Toggle keys. These keys are designed for the people who have vision impairment. When these keys are turned on, computer produces a high sound when caps lock key, num lock key or scroll lock keys are pressed. And when these keys are turned off, computer produces a low sound. The second tab of the accessibility option is Sound tab. When Sound tab is selected, a window with 2 options will be displayed. These 2 options are Sound Sanitary, Show Sound. Sound Sanitary. It is designed to help users with auditory impairments. It generates visual warnings like blinking title bar or flashing borders when computer generates a sound. Show sound. This option convey information by sound to provide information visually through text captions. The third tab of the accessibility option is Display tab. When you select this tab, a window with 2 options will be displayed. These 2 options are High Contrast, Cursor options. High Contrast. This feature assists people with vision impairment. You can change size and color of fonts for easy viewing. Cursor options. This feature helps people with vision impairment by changing the blink rate and width of the cursor. The fourth tab of the accessibility option is Mouse tab. This feature, when you select this tab, a window will display with the option Mouse keys. This feature helps people who have difficulty in using a mouse. This option uses the numeric keypad as a pointing device. The fifth tab of the accessibility option is General tab. This tab enables us to configure accessibility option for all users. Now students, we will start session 2, networking fundamentals. Now here the question arises, what is a computer network? A computer network is a collection of computer and other hardware devices interconnected by cables that allow sharing of data and resources. Now, advantages of networking. There are some advantages of networking. These are data sharing. With the help of networking, we can share data from one user to another user. Hardware sharing. With the help of networking, we can share hardware components like printer, modem, scanner. Internet access sharing. We can purchase a single internet connection and share it to other computers connected in a network. Now, the next topic of the network fundamental is architecture of networks. Now, students, networks are designed using peer to peer architecture and client server architecture. Peer to peer architecture. In this network, all computers have an equal status. Each terminal has an equally competent CPU. Client server network. Certain computers have special dedicated tasks providing services to other computers are called client server networks. The computer which provides services are called servers and the user that uses these services are called clients. Now next topic is types of networking. There are two major types of networkings. These are local area network and wide area network. Local area network. It is a type of network which connects computers and devices in a limited area such as school, building, university campus. Wide area network. Wide area network is a type of network which connects computers across world. Internet is the example of wide area network. Now, it is a network of networks that consists of millions of private, public, academic, business, and government networks. World Wide Web. It is a system of interlinked hypertext document accessed with the internet. Now, the next topic of the networking fundamentals is getting access to internet. To use internet, you need an internet connection which is provided by an organization, an internet service provider. Second, what we need to access the internet is modem. It stands for modulation demodulation. It converts analog signals to digital signals and digital signals to analog signals. Now, the next topic of the network fundamentals is types of internet connectivity. There are 6 types of internet connectivity. These are dial up. It is a form of internet access that uses public switched telephone network to establish internet connection via telephone lines using a modem. In this type of connection, user dials particular number provided by internet service provider to gain access to the internet. DSL, digital subscribe link, provide internet access by transmitting digitally data over wires of a local telephone network. This type of connection needs DSL modem. Cable internet access. This type of connection uses the cable television infrastructure. It is provided through existing cable TV networks. Fourth, 3G. Its short form is third generation and is used for mobile devices. High speed downlink packet access is 3G mobile telephone communications protocol that allows higher data transfer speed. Its supports for 3G is available on your mobile phone. WiMAX. It is a wireless communications designed to provide mobile broadband connectivity across states and countries. WiMAX. It is a popular technology that allows an electronic device such as computer or mobile phones to exchange data wirelessly over a network, including high speed internet connections. Now, the next topic is data transfer on the internet. Now, students, here the question arises how the data is transferred on the internet. First, the data is broken into small sized pieces called packets. Then, a header is added to each packet explaining where the data has come from, where it should end up. Then, each packet is sent from computer to computer until it finds its destination. Then, at the destination, the packets are examined. If any packets are missing or damaged, a message is sent asking for them to be resent. This continues until all packets have been received. Then the packets are now reassembled into their original form. Now we will start session 3, Introduction to Instant Messaging. Now the students, here the question arises, what is instant messaging? It is a form of communication over the internet that offers instant transmission of text based messages from sender to receiver. Features of instant messaging. There are some features of instant messaging. These are text messages can be sent to one or more persons, audio calling and conferencing, video calling and conferencing, file transfer, save messages for future references. Instant messaging services. There are two kinds of instant messaging software. These are application based instant messaging and web based instant messaging. Application based instant messaging software is downloaded and installed on users' computer. Popular application based instant messaging softwares are Google Talk, Yahoo Messenger, Skype, Windows Live Messenger. Web based instant messaging software is accessed using browsers such as Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome. Popular web based instant messaging softwares are Yahoo Messenger for the web, MNS Web Messenger. Now we will start session 4, chatting with a contact. Now what is chatting? A chat is a text based communication that is live or in real time. Rules and etiquettes to be followed while chatting. Now, dear students, there are some rules which we have to follow while chatting. These rules are: number 1, Message should be short and to the point. Number 2, always introduce yourself by name. Number 3, always ask if the other person has time to chat first. Number 4, in a business environment, know exactly what you want to discuss. Number 5, give people time to respond. Now we will start session 5, creating and publishing web pages using blog. Now here the question arises, what is a blog? A blog is a discussion style site used by non-technical or technical users for creating personal web pages. Blogs are similar to an online personal diary and simple to use. Purpose of a blog. You can use a blog to convey messages about events, announcements, news. Blogs are usually managed using a web browser. Now, there are some popular free blog sites. These are WordPress.com, Blogger.com, Blog.com, Weebly.com, Blogsome.com. Now, students, how to create a blog? For that, first open the web browser, then on the address bar type the address https://signup.wordpress.com/signup/. You will get a page with the following fields. First field is blog address. Provide a unique address to your blog. Second field will be username. Choose a username for managing the blog. Next field is password. Give a strong password for your blog. Next field is email address. Provide your email address. An activation link will be sent to you. Next field is language. Choose your own language for blogging. Then click on create blog. With this, the blog will be created. Now we will start session 6, using offline blog editors. Now, dear students, if you do not have an active internet connection, you can create blogs using a blog application and publish the blog whenever internet connectivity is available. There are several offline blog editors available such as Cumana, Windows Live Writer, Blog Desk. Now we will start next session, that is online transaction. Now, what is online shopping? Online shopping is a form of electronic commerce where customers can buy or sell goods over the internet. Customers can pay online using a credit card, debit card, or by internet banking. Now, uses of online shopping. First, a customer does not have sufficient time to visit store. Second, visiting a store is more expensive than purchasing a product online. Third, a product that is not available in the local market is available online. Now, students, there are some popular online transaction websites. These are IRCTC. This is a portal for booking flight and train tickets. Flipkart, shopping portal for buying consumer products. eBay, this is the portal for buying and selling goods. Redbus, this is the portal for booking bus tickets. Now we will start session 8, Internet Security. Now what is internet security? It is a branch of computer security related to the internet. Its objective is to establish rules and measures to use against attacks over the internet and secure online and network transactions. We can reduce the risks by using best practices. These best practices are: number one, keep the length of the use strong password. Now, for using strong password, there are some general guidelines. These guidelines are: number one, keep the length of the password at least 12 to 14 characters. Second, avoid keeping passwords based on dictionary words, relative or pet names. Third, include numbers and symbols in password. Fourth, use capital and lowercase letters. Fifth, avoid using the same password for multiple sites. Sixth, use random password generators. These are the guidelines for managing strong password. Now, the second best practice for security is backup your data. Always keep copies of your personal data in CD or PD. This could be useful in situations when there is a loss of data. Third best practice is use encryption software to protect your data from unauthorized users. Fourth best practice is keep your username and password private. That means never save your username or password on computers that are used in shared environments such as internet cafe. Next best practice is registering with websites. What does it mean? Read the privacy statement or policy whenever you register with a website. Next best practice is do not share your personal information. Next, use antivirus software. Next, do not immediately respond to mails from unknown users. Next, never install software from unknown sources. Next, remove unwanted or unknown software applications.